Space and time are the fundamental fabrics of our universe. Let's take a journey to explore their wonders. First, let's talk about the Big Bang. Around 13.8 billion years ago, our universe started as a tiny, incredibly hot point and expanded rapidly. This event created all the matter and energy we see today. Here's a fun fact. The universe is still expanding, and scientists believe it's doing so at an accelerating rate due to a mysterious force called dark energy. Dark energy makes up about 68% of the universe, but we still don't fully understand what it is. Now let's dive into black holes. These are regions in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. When a massive star collapses under its gravity, it can create a black hole. Did you know that at the center of our Milky Way galaxy, there's a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A*? It's about 4 million times the mass of our Sun. Black holes can also merge to create even larger black holes, releasing tremendous amounts of energy in the form of gravitational waves. These waves were first detected in 2015, proving a key prediction of Einstein's theory of general relativity. Next up, the speed of light. Light travels at an astonishing speed of about 299,792 kilometers per second. That's fast enough to circle the Earth 5 times in 1 second. This speed is the ultimate speed limit of the universe. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, as objects move closer to the speed of light, time for them slows down. This concept is known as time dilation. For instance, if you were to travel to a star 10 light years away at nearly the speed of light, you'd age much more slowly than people on Earth. When you return, you'd be younger than your friends and family who stayed behind. Speaking of time, did you know that time is relative? Time can flow differently depending on how fast you are moving or how strong the gravitational field you are in is. For example, a clock on a satellite in orbit around Earth ticks slightly faster than one on the ground due to weaker gravity at higher altitudes. This effect, called gravitational time dilation, is so precise that it has to be accounted for in the operation of GPS satellites to ensure accurate positioning. Let's throw in a fun fact about our solar system. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. It takes about 243 Earth days for Venus to rotate once on its axis, but only 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. Additionally, Venus rotates in the opposite direction to most planets, meaning the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Let's also talk about exoplanets, planets that orbit stars outside our solar system. As of now, we've discovered over 4,000 exoplanets, some of which may have conditions suitable for life. One fascinating exoplanet is Kepler 186f, which is located in the habitable zone of its star, where conditions might be right for liquid water. Imagine the possibilities of discovering alien life. Lastly, consider the vastness of space. The observable universe is about 93 billion light years in diameter, yet it's likely only a tiny fraction of the entire universe. Imagine that there's potentially much more out there that we haven't even begun to discover. Space is also home to beautiful phenomena like nebulae, which are giant clouds of gas and dust where new stars are born. The Pillars of Creation, located in the Eagle Nebula, are one of the most famous and awe-inspiring nebulae captured by the Hubble Space Telescope. In summary, space and time are filled with incredible phenomena that continue to fascinate and inspire us. From the mysteries of black holes to the vast expansion of the universe, there's always something new to learn and explore.